What is up, guys? This is FNH News Reviews and Tours here with a brand new video to talk about Amazon Basic battery charger and rechargeable batteries. So I purchased these two, and I wanted to give you guys I wanted to do like a quick review and discuss to you guys like how it is, how it fares well, if it's worth purchasing or not, and basically just go from there. So I purchased these off of Amazon for a total of $38. This standalone, which is the charger itself, is $15. I purchased 8 batteries. I took off the 4. This is the other 4 for $19. So this was actually more pricier, but these are rechargeable batteries, not regular batteries. They're both Amazon basic products. So I want to talk more about this to get into it, and then obviously discuss the batteries as well. So let's get into it. By the way, if you use the battery right out the box, they're fairly dead. They're not built to like last right away. You definitely have to charge them. I made that mistake. I was like, ah, dang it, I thought they'd be like charged, but they weren't. At least mine wasn't. So just to get right into it, this is the box and how the product comes with. So you can see it's the charger. It's actually pretty portable, so you can actually have the switch off. You can basically have it either plugged in or have it out, so you can easily plug it into a wall. You put all this is AA, by the way. There's AAA one, but it's separate. You can't use AAA on this. It kind of sucks, but actually no, I'm sorry, I lied to you. It's AA and AAA. That is cool. That is good. That saves money. So if you're purchasing it for both purposes, you can easily charge both types of batteries on this. Let me see if there's anything else in the box. I think there's just instructions. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. It's just instructions. I don't care about. It's just the Amazon basic instructions. They don't really explain much or do much anyway. So just gonna put those to the side. No need for him. So aside from that, we're gonna get right into the battery portion and then see how the batteries are. So let's see. There's a on it as well. Let's open them. So it comes with the Amazon base, same thing, instructions. If you want to take a peek at them, you guys can look at the instructions as well. These, again, Amazon basic items. It just tells you what the requirements are. And these are the batteries itself that came with it. So just gonna open. Just to show you guys like battery styles and how easily it fits into these things. Oops. I suck at this. Did I put it right? I did put it right. I don't even know if I'm putting it right. Yep, I am. So yeah, they're actually going fairly well. The reason I purchased the 8-pack, that would be my suggestion. I'm going to be using 4 on my lock that I purchased. I believe I made a review on it. I don't recall if I did. I probably didn't, but it's a smart lock that I purchased that requires battery. So I'm going to be charging 4 off here, and then when the battery runs out on those, switch and swap. It saves money because I don't have to keep purchasing batteries, so I just buy it in one shot and then go from there. You can see there's like extra features over here. Like it shows you like if it's a USB. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Then it's like the lights over here, it'll turn on regarding if it's being charged or not. Overall, it's a very good product. I like it. Oh, so the USB's here. I don't know if that means you can charge your phone or the laptop with it. That's pretty, oh, not laptop, I should say, but your phone with it, which is pretty cool. I'm assuming that means the USB is charging it, or it can be charged through a USB as well. That is my only assumption that I see over here. Maybe the instructions say something. I don't want to take too much time. So it tells you the charge hours, which is pretty cool. A AA cell will get charged with 3 to 3.5 hours, latest 3 to 4.5 hours, I should say, depending on the voltage and whatnot, and its assumptions to it. Let me see what else it has. It's AAA, megahertz and whatnot. It doesn't say anything regarding the USB. At least I don't see anything. But anyways, overall, very good product. I like it. I definitely do like it. Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section below, guys. If you overall do want to see more of this, I can make another review just testing it out as well. I can do it like an update video with that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Overall, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And other than that, FNH out. Peace.